Hey, it's Allison Bales here with you, and I've got a YouTube short today about heat pump water heaters. This is the one in my basement. So let's give you a quick, short introduction to heat pump water heaters. Okay, let's take a look at this thing. This is like any other water heater that has a tank, and then it has a tank. This is where the hot water is stored. The heat for the hot water comes from the heat pump. That's this part right here. It's got a control panel here. I can set the temperature. Right now it's set to 127 just to get it running. The background noise you hear, that's the heat pump. The way this heat pump works is that it pulls in air from the room in the vent at the top. It sends it out this vent right here. This is cooler, drier air. There's a filter at the top, you can see here, and that extracts heat from the air, puts it into the heat pump water heater tank, and that's it. It's very simple, very efficient, in my case, very quiet. Great way to go if you're thinking of it.